Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing this look which is inspired by Alia Bhatt from the song Saturday Saturday from the movie Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania. She wears this bluish black smoky eye with a bright pink lip. So yes, I try to recreate it for you all. If you like this look and you want to know this, then please keep on watching. The first thing that I'm going to be doing today is taking the Oriflame Face Perfecting Primer. I'm applying a primer prior to anything because I want the foundation and the base to stick to my face, and also because a primer gives your skin an even finish. As you can see, I have used quite a lot of that. So I'm just going to use a primer to just prime my face. Wow, such explanations. I'm great at explaining things. So great. Lancome Oscillation Powder Foundation. This is the first time I'm using this foundation myself, so I have to see how this works. I'm in the shade Sable 20. Foundation, I'm going to be taking Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact. She has a beautiful illuminated glow. So I'm just going to take the lightest shade right here. I'm going to take very little of it because it's very highly pigmented, and I'm just going to touch it on my cheekbones and just blend with my fingers. And then I'm going to take this pinkish shade right here, and I'm going to apply that on my cheeks again with my own fingers. Fill into my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Starlux eyebrow kit, and I'm using an angular brush by Ortrace, and I'm just going to fill them in very kind of with a light hand, not very heavily. Face look. Now I will do one of the eye and then I'll return to show you how to do the other eye. When I first saw the video, I really thought that it was just another smoky eye and nothing else, but then when I saw it twice, thrice over, I realized it wasn't just a plain smoky eye. It had deep bluish undertones to it, like it was a bluish black. So the first thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to take the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I'm going to apply this all over my moving lid, but keeping it below my crease. Smudge this with my finger. Next, with the help of an Ortrace eyeshadow brush, I'm going to pick up Dawn Eye Cosmetics Cosmic, which looks like a black in this pouch, but it is a gorgeous universe color. Like, it's purplish with, as it says, the name is Cosmic. It's such a gorgeous color. I mean, I was blown away by this color. I love it so much. So I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelid area now. See how gorgeous that shade is. I keep the shadows, as I said, below my crease because I do not want to go above my crease. She has a look, when she has her eyes open, it looks like she just has a thick eyeliner on, and that's what the look we are rooting for as well. All the colors are kept below the crease. Next, to intensify this color up, I'm going to use Glam Eyes Black Blue, as it says. It also looks like a black in the pouch, but it's a gorgeous black with blue undertones, and I'm using a Tips and Toes eyeshadow brush to apply this all over Cosmic because I want some purplish undertones as well to this. So that's why I applied it below my eyeshadow. Gorgeous colors these are. I mean, I love pigments. These colors are so unique. The pigment colors, everyone should own some pigments. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend the edges out. I'm going to go back with my Bobbi Brown shimmering bricks, and I'm going to pick up the darkest shade right here with an Inglot brush, and I'm going to just touch my brush. These shimmering bricks are crazy pigmented, so I'm just going to touch my brush with that, and I'm going to apply this directly into my crease as a transition shade and then blend it upwards. Waterline using Oriflame Eye Kohl in Nude. I think it's Nude. I always forget this eyeliner's name. Is it Nude or Flesh? But I think, yeah, it's Nude. I'm going to use Nude, and I'm going to line my waterline. Then I'm going to go in with the black blue pigment and an angular brush, and I'm going to line my lower lash line. Not conceal beforehand this time because I was using pigments, so I did expect a few fallouts. So I'm going to conceal now. I'm using the Oriflame Visions concealer. Next I'm using mascara. I'm using the Deborah Sprint Volume Mascara today, and I'm going to apply this to my top and bottom lashes. You can apply false lashes, but I'm skipping it because it doesn't look like she has false lashes on, so I'm just going to apply mascara. She has on is smoky eyes with a hot pink lip. Like, she has this deep hot pink lip. Personally, I do not know if it would suit me or not. I haven't done it right now. I don't know if it would suit me or not, but if it doesn't suit you, you can totally go for a nude lip look. You don't need to stick to what she's wearing. I'm going to be using 016 Heartbreaker by Rimmel. It is like this deep, gorgeous hot pink, and I'm going to apply this all over my lips and hope that I do not look like this. The look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, although I do think that a nude lip would have looked better not only on me but even on her as well, because I am not a very big fan of bold and bold. They go very well together very often. So yes, but I still do hope that you like this video. If you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. I have a Twitter and Instagram. I poked my eye. I have a Twitter and Instagram, a blog and a Facebook page. Links to all would be in the bottom bar, so make sure to open them up and check them out. I will see you guys on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.